पड़े हाँ. This road is the only road going up to the with the garbage on top. So all the in the truck, all the wet, leached or wet garbage, so liquid, it falls everything. So every year we have this problem of all the water which is there, of coming down and going on the road and people falling on the road. Now this area, don't forget, is in Margaon constituency, or rather Patarda and Margaon constituency, but not in Gurtani constituency. Last time there was big noise about people from Gurtani coming, they calling themselves so-called leaders, saying that I am responsible for all this. I don't want to name them, but it was me who took up the issue with municipality for the last 6 months to put up one trap here. So municipality put up one trap here. Still, after putting one trap here, the water is still coming down. So I got one trap myself done, and I told them, you just construct, I will give you a trap and put another trap here. So whatever water that will be coming here will be going inside this drain, and whatever, let us suppose something comes up, because what happens, this is a climb. The moment there is a climb, the truck tends to bend like this, and the wet garbage falls on the road. We are trying our best, but I just want to say that coming and criticizing me doesn't help. This is not part of my constituency also. This is entire responsibility of Margaon municipality as well as part of Fatorda. Because our garbage is not coming here. It is Margaon and Fatorda garbage that is coming here. I don't know whether those fellows who were shouting on rooftops here, saying that I am responsible, is want to contest in Fatorda instead of Gurtani. They think this is in Gurtani. So I am reminding this is a... But in spite of that, because my people who are here are falling down, I have taken responsibility myself. I took upon the responsibility, and along with my people here, and I said we will construct a drain here. This was for the last 6 months. I am after them. I have now done another one. So this time I hope it doesn't go. I have still told the municipality, put some mud from here to here, so that even if something overlaps, it doesn't go right after. Plus we are going to put one small speed breaker here, because I have personally watched while going up, still it comes. These holes are too small. So somehow comes up to here. So we have put another one. Let's hope this time we don't have this issue. Not leach, it is waste, wet waste, which is in the truck. Sometimes it comes, because what happens? This is a slope. A slope is zatach. Can't help it. These are genuine problems. Or we have to divert this road and we have to take the road somewhere that side.
When you say that this falls under Margaon, so Margaon is a responsibility because
No. See, take it as a tank lagna. Tangiel log asna, amgiel log ita. Tangiel log Margaon's looking na. So am kitra sada. But amgiel log put am responsibility.
आता काम केला ते कोणी तुम्ही केला तुमच्या पैशाने
ना हे म्युनिसिपालिटीने केला
ओके
तेही म्युनिसिपालिटीने केला पण ते हे आई दिला
जसं बैलान कवर
होय ते आई दिला कित्याक जाती तू बेगीन जाय न्ही मग कित्याक पास पडपाचो हा 2 दीस आनी 2 दिसांनी पास पडटलो हांव फर्स्ट ट्रेन जास्ती पडली आय वॉज मॉनिटरिंग काल पास पडत मग काल येयला आनी मॉनिटर केलां कित्याक इन केस तर पास पडलो काल तेसा राती डायवर्ट केला ते रोडान वयतले ताका लागून काल इंस्ट्रक्शन दिलें म्युनिसिपालिटी बाबा उगडी मात घाल्या तें जाल्या राती कडेन सो वी आर फॉलोइंग
प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व
होय सॉल्व जायना जाल्यार हें कट करता आनी एक बुराक वाडयता हो एक बुराक वाडयत रावता दॅट इज ओन्ली ऑप्शन हो हिंग हाडपा मेळना जाल्यार तेजी वचपाना बट हो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करपाक जाय जाल्यार दिस टायम एडिशनल हें ब्रेक करता